So you're welcome to Genius Academy. So this tutorial I'll show you how you can edit your AI avatar. How you can make it, you can give it background to any type you like. So after you are done with the first tutorial,
so then you click on your Google Chrome. When you click on this Google Chrome, I've not on my data. So you click on this search button here, this search button. Then you search for any of the background you want to use. I want to use a bedroom. So I will tell Google Chrome that you should generate a bedroom, a fine bedroom background. Anything that you want to search for, you search it on Google Chrome. So can you see? So you click on this image here. You click on this image. Then when you click on the image, you wait for it to load. Can you see now? So there are a lot of images. Can you see? There are a lot of fine images. So let's now say that I want to download this image. How will I download it? I will long press it like this. Can you see that I long press it? Then you click on this download image. Then can you see it tell me to open? It has downloaded already. Okay, then I say that I still want to download this image. Then which one can I even? Let's say I want to download this image. You will long press it. Then click on download image. Can you see? Download again. Then I say that I want to download this image. I want to see. Let you see very well. You long press it. Then click on download image. Download again. That just it. So you are done with. That's how to download.
so when you get in
any
short
background
here,
of
you
your
click
choice.
on video. Then you click on this plus button. Then you go to photo. You upload the image that you have downloaded from Google Chrome. It's the image that I've downloaded. I can't find it again. I think I have mistakenly deleted it. So I'll click on one image here. So you'll notice that in this image there are spaces here. There are spaces. Can you see? There are spaces here. There are spaces here. So you will need to cover up the whole of the space. So what you do now is that you click on cover. Then you click on fit. Can you see now? You see, like before the image was like this. Now I click on fit. It has covered the whole of the background. So then you now go to PIP. Click on PIP. Then you upload the video that you generated from DubDub. This is it. You see that this thing have green at the background of the video. We call it green screen. This green screen is an advantage for us. Why? Because it will allow us to use any background that we like. So I will show you now. But first of all, make sure that you use your two hands to increase the size like this, or you click on this button here and increase the size. Can you see? So you allow the leg to fit in like this, not like this. If the leg is like this, it will not make sense. It's not professional enough. So you allow the leg to do like this. Can you see? But make sure that you have increased the size before. Then you click like this. Then you now go to cut out. You go to cut out. Then you click on chroma. Why do I want to go to cut out now? It's because I want to remove the background. So when you want to go to cut out, you click on this video. The video that's on the main video, you click on it. You click on it like this. Then you scroll like this and look for cut out. This cut out. This will cut out. Then you click on chroma. When you click on chroma, you see something like circle link like this. Then you place like this. Then you increase the strength. If you increase the strength too much, the video will spoil. Can you see? So you must not increase the strength too much. You must not allow the strength to be too much. So, and if you let the strength to be small, you will see something like green like this. You see something like green. So you must let the strength to be normal. Yeah, it's normal now. And if you want to increase the shadow, you can increase shadow, but I'm not increasing shadow. So I want it to be like this. I think it's okay like this, like that. So then you click on this mark. If I play it for you now, you
Welcome to the Genius Academy. This is the home of tech skills and inspiration.
So why did you notice that the video paused immediately it got to this place? Why? Because the image of the background is very short. The length is too short. So we need to increase the length to fit in with the video. So you will now click on this background like this. Then you increase the strength. You increase the length. Sorry, increase the length of that image. You know that the length of the image is shorter than the length of the video. I think the video is like 2 minutes something, and image is very small. So you will increase it until it fits in to the size of that video exactly. So that's it. If I play it now, you see that let's now say that I want to increase the size of this video again. You click on PIP, then you click on this video, then you increase the size to be bold again. I want to increase the boldness, so you click on this mark again.
Welcome to the Genius Academy. This is the home of tech skills and inspiration. We bring you easy to follow tutorials on.
Don't forget to remove InShot. This watermarks. How will you remove it? InShot is an app that allow people to use the pre-plan without subscribing, like CapCut. So you just on your data, then you click on this InShot. Then they will tell you that you should watch ads. Immediately you watch ad, the InShot Max logo will remove. If you want to do any assignments for me, don't allow the InShot logo to be there. Make sure that you click on this InShot, you on your data, then you click on InShot and you watch ad. Immediately this InShot logo will remove. So let's now assume that the video that you generated from DubDub, it does not have green screen like the one that I did. That when I upload this video, it show green screen. Let's now assume that the one that, because there are some avatar that is on DubDub, that the back of that video they are not green, like this one was green. So there's some avatar that the back of the video they are white. How will you work on that one? This is how you work on it. If it is white, you go to that cutout again. You click on this PIP first. Then you click on the video. Then you go to PIP, like we did the other time. Then then you go to cutout. Sorry, not PIP. You go to cutout. Instead of you clicking on chroma, you click on cutout again. That means you click on cutout 2 times. Then you wait for this thing to load. Say 100%. This thing that you're looking at here, you let it to load to 100%. But because this thing does not have white background, I don't need to let it to load finish. Can stop. So, like if it is a white background, you go to cutout. You go to cutout. You click on the video. You go to cutout. Instead of you clicking on chroma, as you click on chroma when it was green screen, but because it was white screen, you click on cutout. Because there are some avatar that is on DubDub that the back of the video they are white, they are not green like this. So when you are done, then you export your video. So that's just it. So thanks for watching this tutorial video to the end. So our next topic, our next class will be on how to create whiteboard animation. I know some of you will have been seeing a hand that is writing on the wall or on something, and it's drawing a whiteboard animation. So that's where we are going to. A hand that is drawing on any wall or anything. That one is what we are going to in the next class. So don't forget to always subscribe to the channel, because there are a lot of tutorials that we will be uploading to this channel. So that you'll be getting notified every time. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel. So thank you so much. Goodbye.